Hey everyone, welcome to another new video. Stay outside and explore. Today I'm downstairs in the basement just showing you how this furnace is running. This furnace is about 32 years old, I think. Let me check that real quick. The house was built in 1984. 38 years. This furnace is 38 years old. It's a Duomatic Olsen. I don't know if you can see that too well. Let me put some light on it. Ultramax. There, I don't know if you can see it. I got my phone light on it. Might be kind of glary. But yes, this furnace is 38 years old, made in Canada. We're not from Canada, we're in Wisconsin. But you can hear it running. I know I'm pushing my luck on this furnace. Last night it got down, well, this morning when I took the picture of the temperature, it was like 21 below zero or something like that, and the furnace kept up. I know coming this spring we're going to have to replace this because I'm just, you know, I think I'm just playing Russian roulette here, and one of these days this furnace is going to go kaput. We've been here at this house for 28 years, and we've only had to have this furnace serviced twice in that whole time. And the last time the guy came out and serviced it, he said, you know, this is a good running furnace. He said, but it's harder and harder to get parts for it. So he just advised me, you know, start thinking about getting a new furnace. And, you know, yeah, we're just pushing our luck here. I know what helps too is we have a fireplace that I like to burn wood, you know, in and keep the house warm that way. But, you know, one of these days I'm going to regret not getting a furnace. So I think after, you know, I mean, it's at the end of January. I'm thinking maybe April, end of March, early part of April, start calling some estimates in to get a furnace, see what it, you know, is. I know we have central air, but that has gone. It doesn't work anymore, so we use like window air conditioners. So it's just a matter of time. We need to do something here. And I'm going to turn the camera off, and then when I turn it back on, you're going to see the date of what the house was built, so you know that I'm not lying at anything. So, yeah, this is a Duomatic Olsen Ultramax. Like I said, I don't know if you can see it too well, and it's made in Canada. So, hang tight, I'll be right back. There's the date of when this house was built, 1984. And yeah, so that's the original furnace. All right, that should do it for this video. If you haven't, click subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will put out another video. Appreciate everyone watching. Take care.